I'm Andrew Phillips. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a screen protector onto a tablet. So let's go ahead and get started. For this particular video, we're going to be dealing with an Amazon Fire tablet, and we're going to be installing a JetTech tempered glass screen protector. But this application would be the same with any screen protector that you'd be using on any kind of touchscreen device. So what we're starting off with here, we open up the package, we have the screen protector, we have the adhesive hinges that get applied, we have the applicator, we have the wipes. So with all of that in place, we can start laying it out onto the tablet. We're going to go ahead now and unpack these, set these out since they're all going to be used. And then what we have here are the two hinge stickers, which we will then apply onto the back of the tablet itself to start with. Okay, so we'll lift up the device, apply one here towards the top, and then we will apply the other one here towards the lower end. With the adhesive facing upwards so we can then apply the screen protector to fold it over. Next, we're going to carefully unpack the screen protector itself. So we'll go ahead and slide it out of the padding. And then what you're going to want to do is we're going to go ahead and align this onto the tablet itself. And then we're going to take the adhesive hinges and then wrap it onto the screen protector. So we'll go ahead and lay that out, make sure it's centered nice and properly. Now what you're going to want to do is keep this tab on the inside, because that is going to be the part that peels off when we apply it to the screen. So you want it on this side. So with this in place, we're going to line it up. Make sure you have the camera lined up perfect. Make sure you have this all lined up properly and centered. Looks good. So now then we can bring the hinges over. Apply that. And actually that one is a little bit off. So I'm going to go ahead and redo that. I'm going to go ahead and adjust these hinges properly, and then we'll be right back. Hinges are in place, everything's centered. So now, as we fold this back, you have that perfect hinge on there. So when we lay it out, it'll then be aligned perfectly onto the tablet. Next, we're going to apply this here, which is the screen protector lifter sticker. So we're going to now take that, we're going to apply it right here, so that way we can use this to then lift it. So now with those in place, we're going to lift this back, and we're going to use the supplied wipes to then clean the screen of any fingerprints and dust so we can get ready to apply it. We're going to go ahead and open the cleaning wipes. Remove them from the packet. We're going to wipe this down real good, free it up from any debris, fingerprints on the screen. And then make sure you give it time to properly dry before we apply the screen onto it. There's also this little dust cleaning cloth. You can then go over it and just make sure you wipe off any residue from the cleaner. in the event that there's any hard pieces of dust to remove. It also comes with a dust absorber sticker that you can use to then pick up those items. In this case, we don't need to use it because everything is clean and clear. So now with this off, we're ready now to apply the screen. What we're going to do first is take this tab and peel back the inside so that way the adhesive on the screen is ready to be applied. So with that film removed, we're going to use the hinge that we created, using the lifter. Bring it over gently, apply this in place, and we're going to start here at the bottom, applying it here on the bottom, working our way towards the center to let it properly adhere without any bubbles, and then we'll work our way up, gently pushing up on it. Gently pushing up on it. Okay. Go up this way. And I already see a bubble there. And we'll work that out next. But other than that, it's looking really good. Okay, and once you have it down, you can start from the center, work your way out to work those bubbles out. But it's looking actually very good. But there's a bubble right here. I'll get a close-up of that, and we're going to work on getting that out. We're going to use this squeeze card that comes supplied with the screen protector kit to work the air bubbles out. In this case here, let's go ahead and remove these hinges we had put on and see if there's any air bubbles underneath. This one here looks good, but I know there's one under here because I noticed it when we were applying it. So let's peel this one back. You can see right here, that's the air bubble. So we're going to use this squeeze card here, and pushing outward to work it out, we'll take the card, and you can see there it goes. There's a little bit left there. We'll do the same thing again. Keep working it out. Okay. There's still a little bit right there. I'm going to go ahead and take a look, make sure there's no dust. If there is a little bit of dust under there, we're going to use right here this dust absorber sticker. Go underneath, pull that off, and then work it out. So let's lift that up so we can see what's causing that. If we lift this up a little bit, see if we can't just kind of work it towards. We're going to lift this up, see if we can work that out. And actually, see if I can get a close up there, but you can see there's a speck in there which is causing that. So we're going to use the dust absorber to take that out. You can see right there where the bubble is, there's a little speck in there which is causing it not to lay completely flat. So let's go ahead and get that out. Let's get the dust absorbing sticker. We'll lift this up. Go underneath, and I believe it's here on the screen protector. Now let's put it back down. Looking good. There we go. Perfect. Went back down. We'll take the squeeze card again, just do a little touch up, work it all the way out to the edges. And there we go. Looks perfect. Looks perfect. Aligned properly and no flaws underneath. Alright, well that pretty much wraps up this video on how to apply a screen protector onto a tablet or any kind of touchscreen device. I hope this video helped you out. Please send any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you, any questions you may have. As always, I appreciate all of the support, so please like this video, subscribe to this channel. We'll see you next time.